Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning when I was out of town on vacation and Dollar Tree from home. And just a small haul each. I picked up these little, this basically Velcro strips. Added in the strips at the Dollar Tree. Just got some of these, and these have been out for a few weeks, but I just ended up picking up some 2 1/4 by 2 1/4, these little cubes that can be altered, and that's what those are going to be used for. And now they have the wood planks, 4 by 5 or 4 by 5 square wood planks. Again, these are 6-pack, and these are to be altered. I love the little wood planks. They're just like having canvases. You can alter these and do some cool stuff on it. So I want to use some of my JN dolls on it, maybe, or Gorgeous Girls or something on it. But I think these would be fun to alter. So just do some mixed media techniques. Actually, I think I'm going to just use these for samples of mixed media techniques. I think that's what I'm going to do. I've seen a video like that before a long time ago. And my daughter and I was making some art. I think I'll do that. Picked up some earrings, and not to wear, but to use for mixed media. I like to buy that stuff and take them apart. And you can use all these different little squares in mixed media on a project. As well as these bobby pins, and that's why I got those. Just the odd shapes of them in the background is what I'm going to use those for. So, and you can actually make them flat, pull it apart, and make it a long piece, which is probably what I'm going to do. But background noise that can be altered for your painting, your mixed media art. And then last but not least, when I was out of town, I did stop in Tuesday morning. They had a lot of stuff we hadn't had here, at least when I left, but I was gone for 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks. They did have these, and I did get this one. I've seen it, but I hadn't seen it in our store. So it was $4.99. It's the Anna Skinner Stampin' and Stamp. They had the other one with the bugs, but I didn't get that one. I just got this one. I was doing a lot of, so I won't spend too much money Tuesday morning. But I like this because it's good for mixed media. Just that background noise to give you some dimension and layer. So that's why I got that one. I did get, because I showed you guys last year, I got all of these sets at Michael's on clearance for like $1 and some cent. I don't think I had the large camera. I think I had the small one, so I ended up buying it. If not, I can take it back in my Tuesday morning, or I can keep it. But anyway, it was $6.99, which still was a good price because these were $25. But I ended up getting the die set for like I think the biggest one I got was $2 and maybe 80 cents, or because I think the small ones was $1.80 and the large ones were like $2.80. Maybe even cheaper than that. And then I don't think I had this one. I can't remember. So I got this one too, and this is the so this is called. It just says animation die. I know that, but I'm trying to remember the actual name of it. I know it's a camera die. I'm trying to see the specific name for it. I don't see, but it's 11 pieces. And this one is a 16 pieces. This is a 3 by 4, and this is a 4 by 3, which is the same thing except the length and the width is switched. And this is more like with the flap, and this has sentiments on it. Happy, be you, I love you. Friend, smile, XOXO, and hello. So, if anything, you just use the words, the sentiments, and you can also use these as Project Life cards, ATC cards. So there's a couple different things in here that you can use this for. So that's why I got those. And I didn't recall having this set, which is the birthday one. It was $3.99, so I only got one of them. When I got them from Michael's on clearance, I think I paid 50 cents, and I got a ton of them. I don't remember what I paid. I don't even think it was $2.80. I think it was $1.80 was the large one, and the small one was, I don't know what it was, but I got a killer selling them last year when they were out, and I did a video on them. And then this is the Rose Place card. This was $3.99, and I did get this just, I thought maybe you could use it, open it. It's a 1 piece or 2. It looks like it's a 2 piece. It's a place card, obviously. But I thought maybe you could always also use this in the topper, maybe. See how big it is. A little tiny, tiny topper, I guess. But yeah, it's a place card, so. If you had a little teeny bag. So that's my haul. And that's it. And by the time this video up, it'll be way late. Way late. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. This is just a little game. And I didn't buy it for the game, but I bought it for the pieces to use for dimension. It can be altered in mixed media. So just little pieces like that you can paint. Put some gesso on them and then paint them, and then you can use them as texture in your mixed media. So that's what I'm using that for.